Here's part 2, day 8 to day 14 of my AI series. Let's go. Day 8, narrow AI. AI that does one job perfectly, like voice assistants. Day 9, generative AI. AI that creates text, images, videos, code. Day 10, AI tools. ChatGPT, image AI, video AI, power tools for creators. Day 11, AI myths. AI is not alive, not evil, and not replacing everyone. Day 12, AI ethics, bias, privacy, and responsible use matters. Day 13, AI in daily life. Recommendations, maps, filters, games. Day 14, AI future. Faster learning, smarter tools, bigger opportunities. Week 2 done. High reorientation complete. From tomorrow, the real series continues. Follow AI Spark Hub for daily AI insights.